found that. Old bucket. It's only got one little hole in it. Oh, sorry, the seam's cracked. Yeah. So, there must have been a cabin here at one point. But this. Huh. Could it be? I don't know. Would this be a trumpet? I don't know. There's quite a lot of them growing down here. Like, quite a lot. Let's take our bucket. Riddick's looking hard for not what I'm looking for. Another one of those. Is it a button? Don't know. What could it be? I don't know. Well, I guess we're finding more relics. Now we've turned into a treasure hunt. So we'll see what we can get for stuff.